Most of the top Hazanim, the most famous Hazanim that we have had, were tenors. And being a baritone, I couldn't compete, But I think, of course, Yosele Rosenblatt is, everybody recognizes him as one of the top. Mordechai Hirschman, these are all, from the old days. We do have some Hazanim still active who I think can compare in quality. Abe Mizrahi is one, and you have some really good talent in the field, and it's a field that is not disappearing; it's growing. Of course, now it's changed because now they have female Hazanim, Hazanot, which is a different style altogether. It has to be, but. In Schenectady, my son-in-law just put on a concert with a student cantor, a young man who is also a tenor, but very accomplished apparently. I didn't hear him, but apparently it was a very successful concert, and so talent is growing.
And can you explain for people who aren't familiar with Hazanis, what makes a good Hazan?
That depends who are you asking, is interesting. Anywhere, now they have cantorial schools, it takes 5 years, and then you get a degree, and I had no such experience. I learned from Hazanim as a kid, and then any place I ever went for a job, nobody asked me if I graduated from kindergarten. They said, get up there and daven. Either you can do it or you can't, right? But those people, the members who were passing on hiring a chazan, they knew what to expect. They knew, if he was pronouncing the Hebrew properly. They knew the nusach, the musical tradition, how each section of the service should sound, and was he doing it right? They don't have those people today. We just don't have them. So the idea of a school that can give you a recommendation, this man knows what he's doing, or this girl knows what she's doing, but didn't need that in those days. Now it is necessary because you don't have the educated public that was prevalent then.